Hello, my friends. Welcome to December Friday. This is an open collaboration hosted by my friend, by Mimi with Love. There are 5 Fridays in December, and she would like you to join her so that you can share what you're working on in December, whether it's baking cookies or making a crafty project or even decorating your tree. I will be sure to link Mimi's video in my description box in case you would like to join in on this collaboration as well. So friends, I wanted to share with you more of the little boxes that I made. So I made 2 Christmas ones in addition to the 4 other ones that you saw. So this is one of them. I used, as with all of the other ones, I used a book page, and then I went over top of the book page with napkin. And so that's why you see some writing here, but then you see the deer, that's book page, and then napkin. The leafy stuff here is the napkin. And then I went around it here on this one with some ribbon. Here's the spine. So I went over the spine with some gold paint, and I did that around the edges, and it was rose gold, I think. And then when we open it up, this is the inside. And I just thought it looked really rustic, so I didn't add anything else to it. There is napkin on here, and it's probably hard to see. But if you look, you can see a little bit of some wrinkle effect. And then you see the gold. So it just looks sort of rustic. And then I ran the ribbon through it. So that's that one. Then this one's a little bit more glamorous. We've got the book page. And here you can see, if you look closely, you can see it says Chapter 9, and then it says the year 1905 right there. So I've got the book page, and then I've got the paper napkin, which it obviously is the bird and the flowers and the berries and all that. I used a real feather right here from one of my mom's chickens, and then I used this piece, and this was gifted to me. It's just beautiful. Then when we roll around, we see the back. Here's the spine on this one. I painted this with gold paint. Well, it might have been copper. You know what? My paint that I used for this was copper. And then when we opened this one up, I did do paper napkin on the inside. And you can see, I put it down, I tore it off like I like to do, and I did the same thing over here. So you see some pieces of missing napkin, but I really like that because it makes it look old and aged. So that's this box. Now, I wanted to let you know that I am gifting this box to a friend, and I'm going to add to it this little book that says Feng Shui, and it's got some really neat information in it. So I thought that would be a nice little gift for someone, and they might get a real kick out of it. And look, it fits so perfect inside of this box. Friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed seeing the boxes that I made. Go check out Mimi's collaboration and join in. Thanks for watching. See you soon.